from the Line Cutterz Studio in West Columbia, Texas. It's the Salty Yak Podcast. Hey, welcome everybody. So today we came down here to Line Cutterz in West Columbia to do the Salty Yak G.O.A.T Greatest of All Time Kayak Fishing Tournament. 36 people signed up for this. Most that I've ever had sign up for an event. I am sure that Line Cutterz had a lot to do with it. But
it's a CPR event, 1 point for every legal fish, Redfish-Trout-Flounder. The angler with most points wins.
Oh, you won the tournament. You caught how many? How many points did you have?
8.
You had 8.
8.
And those were they were all redfish, were they not?
Yes.
People were like, oh, he must have been on a bunch of trout. Nope.
No. I don't catch trout. Ever.
You're like me.
Ever. It's just by accident.
By accident?
Yeah.
So, just give us a kind of a general idea how the conditions, the type of area that you were fishing and finding them.
And the GPS coordinates.
And GPS.
Yeah.
It's summertime and I know the first 2 hours are key. If you're late for the party, you might miss it.
I fished there on Monday, and the wind was really hard, and the water wasn't clear at all. So, and today, early in the morning, was pretty, and no wind.
No wind. Yep.
No wind, and you can see, everything happening in the water.
Come on, man. Come on. There you go. We got the first one. First one in the boat. We gotta do it fast. We gotta do it fast because this is prime time. Hold on. Okay. Yes, sir. Best lure in the world.
Oh my God! I'm at the right place at the right moment, and and didn't stop.
This was bigger than the other one. Oh my God. This doesn't. Okay. Snake or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. And then there you go. Try to cut the tag in as close as possible. Doesn't really matter too much. Let's put a little bit more turkey juice on the tail too. And let's continue. There you go. Woo. There you go. Woo. Just in the corner of the lip. Man, but you destroy my paddle tail again. Hurry up, hurry up.
As you can see, fish were pretty aggressive. So I was not concerned at all that I was spooking fish or anything like that. I was using a big hook. That's a 5/0. And there's no one fish that I'm looking for that's not able to eat that lure. They have a big mouth. Plus, it's gonna help me to take the lure out of the fish's mouth quick and continue looking for more fish.
Christian,
Yes.
bait of choice today. What was working for you?
It was Skelly Swim, but I put rabbit fur on top.
Tell me again.
Rabbit fur
On.
on the Skelly Swim.
Okay.
And it was a 1/2 ounce jig.
Oh wow. So a
Yes.
pretty heavy. you're
Yeah,
fishing
pretty heavy. Pretty heavy, yeah.
This crab. Boom.
9 out of the 31 planked. Like, got skunked. 9 out of the 31. And there was, as you can see, there's lots of 1s and lots of 2s on there too. Just looking for a keeper fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, tournament fishing, we know.
Yeah.
You just never know. You go to weigh in because you know that 26-inch redfish might be the one. Right?
Exactly. Yeah.
You just never know.
You never know.
Trying to find that. That's what I like about this. We're just looking for legal fish. And who can catch the most of them? Today was Christian's day.
Yeah.
Good job, brother.
He's always on.
There you go.
Everything happened within an hour and a half, and then died.
Did nothing.
And then nothing. And then a big black drum, but that's it.
Yeah.
And
Black drum didn't count.
yeah, didn't count. And it broke my board. So
Did he?
yeah, it was so heavy, and I was trying. This one is going to count. And it broke my board. But you know, it was fun. It was super fun. And then the wind started blowing against where I was supposed to go, and I was no, I gotta get out of here because you know it's gonna be tough. So
And that's a very nice ring.
yes,
It's
look
like
at this.
Looks like a championship
Super Bowl ring.
Super Bowl ring.
Right?
Let's see the picture right there. Ready? Love it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Line Cutterz.
I love it. Yeah, thank you.
That's cool.
Thank you.
We're going to start with the smallest fish. Mr. Joel Smith has the smallest one. He never did want to know that. But the smallest fish, $200. After I pass them out, let's all get, if you're the winner, let's get together so we can take a picture. Biggest redfish, well, smallest fish was 10 inches. The biggest redfish at 30 3/4, Mr. Kevin Franklin. That's only $300, so.
That's good.
That's his gas bill probably for today. So. Third place, so we had to break the tie, 4-way tie, because there was 4 of you that caught 3 fish. So we just added all your links together and that kind of broke it down. So third place, Nicholas Garrett.
Woo!
And that was what? $150 for that one. Somebody who's fished almost every one of these things. Mario. With $200 for this one. First place, 8 fish. 8 fish. Christian Mathis. Yeah. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
And that's like $350, but maybe your wife didn't hear that. Boom, good to go. All right, let's do the ring. Put the ring on. There you go.
That Astros pose.
Yeah. There you go. Good job.
Bam!
That was